Amruteshwar is a mystical and glorious temple of Lord Shiva. It is built in Yadav Shilahar era around 11th century. It is located in the village Ratanwadi of Taluka Akole in Nagar district and is approximately 74 kilometers from Sangamner. This temple, with a unique architecture, is built in the ancient Bhumij Shaili and is standing with its full glory in Sahyadri Valley. The speciality of this elegant structure is that there are two Sabha Mandap and Sanctum Sanctorum is situated in between these Sabha Mandap. The door frame of the temple is decorated with a beautiful sculpture. It is seen that the Lord Shivalinga is always half submerged in water. Nandi was constructed in the recent time at rear door. This door is currently used as the main entrance. The main Sabha Mandap has icons of Kichaka and Vadika shown as load bearers on the pillars. The mast of the temple is 5-story structure and is built in the Bhumij style. In the front of mast, there are finely carved nasikas, while on the fourth side of mast are beautifully carved latikas. In the front of temple within reach is the fort Ratangarh. The Bhandardara Dam and famous Kalsubai Peak is located in the vicinity. In spite being wonderful location for tourism, it is often missed by the tourist and can only be experienced by visiting this place.